Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we will see most asked questions about DGCA model exam preparation. The questions were, Sir, tell us how we prepare in 10 days. Brother, tell me how to clear model exam easily. Please tell me what to do if I am unprepared and yet fill the form for that module. So to know all the answer about it, watch this video till end. So let's get started. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and click on bell icon. Also watch this video till end to know 1500 rupees giveaway winner as mentioned in last video. Number 1. Read highlighted books and PDFs. It's very crucial to save time and get maximum outcome in minimum time, and it's possible only if you know what to read and from where to read. So the highlighted books comes to a rescue here. If you read such books and PDF, you will finish the book in a week or less. So it's crucial that you know which books are very important and then read their highlighted PDFs. Some of these books we will provide in our WhatsApp groups, while some you must ask to your friends. Let's help each other and clear the module by doing 2 weeks of extreme preparation. Number 2. Group study and discussion. See, already there are dozens of groups in WhatsApp where people join to get materials. But instead make a group of 4 to 5 friends you think are capable of studying and comfortable in group discussion, as it helps a lot. I am saying this from my personal experience. We 5 to 6 friends always study in group and discuss doubts and also correct someone if they gave wrong answer. So it's crucial here. Number 3. Join similar module group. I have seen many students joining all the group just to get questions. It's wrong. You must always join only that module group or make that group which is related to your current session module, so you stay focused on it. When we used to prepare, we friends always focus on that module which we have applied, and all friends try to give same module, and the success rate, the success rate was above 90%. So you do same, focus on current module and join only that module group. Number 4. Time management. When we have less time, then it's really important that we spend it carefully, and that's where planning comes. Plan your 2-week preparation. Now, how to plan it? See, it's very simple. First week you focus on reading important books and then go for revision on weekends. And same you can do for second week, and in 14 days you can finish complete module. It's possible. I have seen my friends preparing for 3 modules in just about 50 days. So 16 to 70 days for each module. Everything is possible, remember this. Number 5. Read core books. This point I missed out in important book PDFs. You must actually find out which is core book for that module. Core book in sense means books having highest marks weightage. And to know about it, watch our videos of individual as well as combined tips and tricks for clearing module. Usually YASA textbooks are core books, but for some modules like Mode 8 AC Car Mode, for Mode 9 9683 Ecow Docs. Like this we have already talked about it in a video, so check that out. Number 6. Practice previous questions. Yes, you must refer previous year questions, and it's completely alright for practice. Officially DGCA don't provide it, we all know, as system is opaque, no transparency. But still, some bright students prepare the question and is helpful for next session. But referring questions with correct answer is crucial, and also read that paragraph. Means if you are solving the question, it's well and good. If you have physical books, then keep it with you. And if not, open it in your mobile and start solving whenever you want to find correct answer. Take book and find out if you found the correct answer, then please highlight it and read the whole paragraph, because the next question might come from there. You never know. So prepare in this manner, and 9 out of 10 times you will clear your module. This is I am saying from my experience. Number 7. Read to remember. In such short time, don't just read the books. Read it to remember it, because that same line you will see as questions, and if you have read it to remember, then you can easily retrieve it, but if not, then God can only help. Number 8. Keep confidence and positive mindset. It's crucial that you prepare and go for exam with positive mindset that you will clear your exam. Otherwise, what's the use if you are not mentally prepared and confident about it? Everyone fear it, but you must believe yourself that yes, you can do it and you will clear it. And 8 out of 9 times you will clear just by setting positive mindset. Number 9. Exam tips and tricks. Let's see how you can use some tips and tricks. These tips you will only require if you don't know the answer, otherwise you mark the correct options. First, if question has all of the above option and you don't know anything, then please tick it, because maximum time you will get it correct. Second, if you think option A is correct answer, then mark it. Always listen to your gut feeling and you might have read it somewhere. Third, never change the answer unless you know it. Fourth, don't rush. Read 2 to 3 times the questions and even options. You will get plenty of time, so take your time and then mark it. Fifth, don't listen to anyone. It's strictly prohibited to copy in exam, but sometime candidate nearby you will be telling answer to someone, and if you heard it and not marked that, then don't change it as you might get it wrong. I think I have shared all the suggestions and tips from my experience and experience of students to clear any module in just 2 weeks, and it's possible if you keep positive intent and work tirelessly. All the very best for upcoming exam, and I wish that you all will clear your exam. And that was all. Alright, it's time to declare the winner for our last video on Don't Repeat This Mistake. Unfortunately, the goal of 400 plus likes and 2000 views is not achieved as on Feb 9, 2021 11:59 PM. But still, because some people, actually family members, worked really hard and followed all the information, so instead of 3 winners we will be declaring 1 winner and will give that person a 500 rupees bonus prize. The person who wins that 500 rupees Aviation A2Z 2021 exam giveaway is Sumit Ombase, who have completed almost all the tasks. Congratulations to him, and I wish him good luck for DGCA examination. Also, thank you everyone for participating in it. Keep supporting us so that we bring such helpful giveaways. That was all for today. Remember, DGCA has updated the exam form fill-up date for session 1 of 2021 from 15th Feb to 21st Feb, and possibly they will soon conduct exams. So be prepared and don't repeat the mistakes, and follow our tips and tricks to clear your exam. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe, and all the very best and good luck.